The magnificent shrine of Sayed Al-Shuhada, Imam Hussein alayhi salam, is a magnet that draws millions annually from all over the world. It was 4 years after Ashura when Mukhtar al-Thaqafi, after becoming the ruler of Kufa, built the first mausoleum of Imam Hussein. He used cement to construct a dome over the grave, as well as a ceiling to protect the visitors from the heat of the sun. He made Ibrahim, the son of Malik al-Ashtar, responsible for this. And according to early historians, the first building consisted of an area with a ceiling and 2 gates, one to the east and one to the west. Historians such as Al-Mas'udi and Ibn Kathir, as well as others, have confirmed that it was Mukhtar al-Thaqafi who first built a shrine for Imam Hussein alayhi salam in Karbala, and the dome was the first dome in Islamic history to be built.